Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic solid edge tutorial how to use draw tools. You can click a new part and after it go to line icons, click on drop down menu and then you can choose draw tools. I will choose top plan, and if you want to draw circle you can draw like this, can circle to be automatically generate the circle. So I will create again more bigger like this. Or you can draw like a rectangle. You can click in here and you can connect it to be generate the rectangle. I will create again another here into here. Okay, like this. You also can edit for the constraint. So in here, if you see, we have this lines, and if you want to make it vertical or horizontal, you can choose at this icon, horizontal or vertical. Can click the line object to be set into horizontal like this. I will create again, like I will use this draw tools and draw in here. So you can click like this and you can choose again these tools to set this line object into vertical. Okay, that's it for basic solid edge tutorial how to use draw tools. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.